everybody, and welcome back to Southeast by Midwest. I'm Cassie, and today we are going to be filming the Cast a Spell unboxing. I've had this for a little while now, and I literally have not even peeked in it. We are going to unbox it together, so you are going to get to see all my joy and surprise as I go through this Harry Potter independent nail polish themed box. So if you want to know what's all in this box, what it's all about, all that jazz, just keep watching. Here on Southeast by Midwest, before we talk about the products, we disclose. And the disclosure for this is that I purchased this with my own money. This box retailed for, I want to say, $49.95 and includes, I want to say, 4 or 5 nail polishes and some extra items. It's been a while. This box is no longer available, but I still wanted to talk to you about it because Night Owl Lacquers, the polish brand behind this box, does this. I don't know if they do this box each year, but they do themed boxes like this, so I wanted to go over it. Now, this is just a plain white box, and they have taped over it a piece of paper that says Cast a Spell, and then it's got Wingardium Leviosa, Accio, let's see, Unbreakable Vow, Expelliarmus. I mean, they've got all kinds of the different Harry Potter spells on here. So inside we've got the tissue paper and the little sticker that says Owl Post. If you were here for my mail haul Monday, which I'll link down below, you know that my husband kindly corrected me when I said that it said Owl Mail and it said Owl Post. If I can salvage this sticker, I'm totally going to stick it somewhere because it's so cute. So let's open. Alright, so the first thing inside are the, and he hates it when I call them this, are the little worms, as Bunny from Graveyard Girl calls them. The little crinkle papers that go everywhere. There are some black ones in here, there are some green ones, and they're now all over my desk. Alright, so the first thing I see is some little pamphlet-y things. So let's go through these real quick. We got the Night Owl Lacquer business card, which you would have seen from my mail haul Monday with the wax melts. And it's got all of her kind of like tips and stuff on the back. We have an always sticker. Can anybody tell me in the comments down below? I'm a Harry Potter fan. Love me some Harry Potter. Okay, this one I understand. Okay, this one I get. Okay, so this doesn't pertain to that, but it reminded me of that, I should say. What is up with all the different always art having the Deathly Hallows as the A, and then all the other letters being just like normal text? This one, the L is a wand, the W is the Quidditch rings, can't tell what the A is. The Y is like a broomstick and a lightning bolt, and the S is a snake. But when I was looking for some always art and stuff like that, I kept finding it with the, and like tattoos and things like that, I kept finding it with the A as the Deathly Hallows, and I'm like, did I miss where that became a thing? Anyway, we have this little bag, and then I think this is one of the first shops in the box. And this is Ribbits Stickits, and they have a little business card in here. And her name is Christy, and her shop is in Tennessee. She's got a cute little business card. And on the back, she's got some water decal instructions on there. And she has some vinyl decal instructions on this sheet of white paper that you're probably not going to be able to see. And we have a vinyl decal of Harry's glasses with the lightning bolts. It's supposed to look like a heartbeat with Harry's glasses and then the lightning bolt on top for his scar. That is so cool. Love that. These would be the water decal stickers. We have some like funky kind of, I don't know what you would call that, up at the top. And then we have your black and white, like we got the Gryffindor, Waiting for My Hogwarts Letter, Hufflepuff, you know, all that. And then we got like Snape, Dobby, and the different people down at the bottom, and then you got different ones at the top. And then we also have a wand vinyl sticker. I don't know where I'm going to put these yet. I do have an Alex dupe over to the side, which when I get the room all set up, I might do a makeup room tour, but I might stick these on there. I don't know. Alright, the next thing besides the polishes that I see is this Night Owl Lacquer branded broomstick ink pen. This is totally going to stay on my vanity right here to take notes while I'm filming. The Night Owl Lacquer is just a sticker over it, but it's still really cute. Love it. And it has a little cap on the pen. So that's going to stay right there. And let's jump into the polishes. It looks like there might be 5 here. So I'm going to go with the one that is not bubble wrapped first. And this is from the brand Stella Chroma. And hers comes in this cute little box. And I mean, girl, this is profesh. I mean, this is straight up looking like I could have bought this off the shelf at Ulta, Sally Beauty, Sephora. And the shade for this one is Expelliarmus. And this is what it looks like. I will be swatching these individually so that I could talk about the brand, the formula, etc. And then I will do a big kind of overview kind of swatch video or post at the end that kind of rounds them all up as well. So the next one is bubble wrap. Next is Bee's Knees Lacquer, and hers is Knox. This is a nice square bottle, and this is actually Night Owl Lacquer. This is my first polish from her. So this is Prior Incantato, and this is a nice kind of green shade with some flecks in there. Really, really gorgeous. Love the shape of her handle. It's kind of got a OPI kind of feel to it. And then, like I said, the bottle itself is really, really kind of square. This is Never Enough. Hers looks like a regular kind of nail polish bottle. Maybe like a KL polish bottle, but not quite. Blue Eyed Girl Lacquer. Hey now. In Decatur, Georgia. Hey. It's not too far away. Reducto. And then hers is this really bright blue shade. Alright, so those were the 5 polishes and the extra stuff that were included in the Cast a Spell box. Like I said, it was $49.95, and from what I can see so far, great deal, loving it. Let me know in the comments down below which of these you would like to see done first. I'm going to start swatching them in every, so these will cover the next like 5 to 7-ish weeks. So let me know down in the comments which one you want to see. I'm either going to do it whoever I see say something first, which is probably going to be Omnia. Straight up, Omnia is queen of commenting on my videos within a little bit of them being put out. I love Omnia to death. So she's probably going to be the first one to comment which one she likes, or I may do it by just what gets the most votes. So let me know. Make sure to subscribe down below. Follow me on all the social media. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss any videos. And until next time, bye!